Let's go. Oh man. 90? 90, 90, 90?
Crazy.
You don't even feel it, right?
No, I don't. It's amazing.
210.
1, 2, 3.
Good morning guys, everything is packed almost. We have to shoot another video, so I kind of prepared a little bit here, pack all of that, do the bed afterwards. The suits are packed. This is what I'm going to wear today. Currently I'm wearing this, simple, the pants. So we're creating a video now. Okay, and after doing the video we will head outside. Today is actually beautiful weather. Like sunny, awesome, hot. Bag is packed. Packed. Nice book. One recording. Actually I'm going to record the whole online course right now. I already recorded one, but I thought, okay, since there are a lot of people who actually don't really want to pay for a course, I was thinking, okay, I really wanted to give you something back on the 1st of May. So what I'm going to give you back is an online course for free on YouTube, which I created just for you. And now I'm creating the paid version, which will be of course more in detail, packed with all the templates and strategies and how I actually made it, for you to just, you know, just copy and paste it what I did. And then you can also actually do the same. It's quite easy. But of course I can't do everything for free, since actually that's what I do for a living. So I put out a paid version as well. This will be the paid version, but the free version will be like another. Before recording, I recorded it with the sense of I will record a paid version. So there are a lot of things inside that will actually help you, a lot of values. But the templates, like I created a whole content plan for you. The content plan, the step-by-step plan, the guide, the invoice templates, the offer templates, everything that you actually need to become a content creator is in that full paid version one. Also the fact that you can go, like I also put a link on it so you can join the free WhatsApp group, which is just a group with full of content creators to inspire and motivate each other. So it's like a little community that I built on the side, but the access is just possible with that paid version one, since the link is in all the templates that I'm going to send you after you sign up for the course. Anyways, for the course we need this, so we're going to record with this mic. I also got the little Rode ones, but we're not going to use that. And other than that, that's it. Just set up the location, record it, and then I give you some cinematic shots of Munich city. We were now 48 hours in Munich. I think that's what I call the video like. Beautiful city, can't wait to come here again. See you. Alright guys, so we actually recorded the whole course right now. I don't know why it's so flickery here. That was a scene. Me, of course, I put down everything here. I had some help right there with my phone. The course was pretty good, pretty nice, but it's so hot and I have to check out at 11. I hope the audio is pretty good on that GoPro, I don't really know. I have to check out at 11 and we have 11:07. So, whoa. So I got really no time. The bag is packed. That's my whole suits. Then I just put the tripod in it. My battery is still charging. My phone, my suit I'm going to wear. Might be even drinking some hot water. My books, and my other camera gadgets. So today is very hot. I was thinking about actually wearing this nice pullover, but it's so hot. It looks actually pretty good though, like with the whole white suit, with the shoes and everything, but yeah, it's like very hot. So I think I would take it with me. No, I don't take it with me. I think I will go with this t-shirt though. This t-shirt looks a little bit more nicer. And I don't want to give them a hard time. So yeah, everything is cleaned up. I'm now doing the bed, putting out the lights, and I really have to hurry up now. Thank you so much. We see each other in the city, yeah? See ya.
Trips that you plan for the next whole week. It's too long.
Ja, das macht alles nicht so leicht, ja?
You got it, girl, you got it. Hey. You got it, girl, you got it. Yeah. Pretty little thing, you got a bag and now you wildin'. You just took it off the line, no mileage. Way they hitting you, the DM looking violent. Talking while you come around and not silent. Through the Cooper 17, no guidance. You be staying low, but you know what the price is. Ain't never got you know it being modest. Poppin' shit, but only cause you know you poppin', yeah. You got it, girl, you got it. Hey. You got it, girl, you got it. Hey. You got it, girl.
Okay guys, so we just went for some brunch. Now we're heading home, getting in Tesla now, and then driving off, giving you some cinematic shots here.
You been inside, know you like to lay low. You know what you ain't got, start being thankful for what you do got. Let's get it to him, baby.
So live your life.
Instead of being gracious, they buy you.
Oh! Das ist jetzt draußen. Oh, toll.
Opposite of moderate, immaculate and polished with the spirit of a hustler and the swagger of a
Ach ja.
In 300 meters.
This letter we're gonna make from 0 to 100. How many meters are there? 300 meters. So. Hit it, Dan the man himself. Revan. Let's see, maybe we can hear something.
Nothing.
Okay. Okay.
70.
Okay. He made it. The man.
Ich mach mal da vorne, dreh ich um, dann lass ich dich
so.
einsteigen. Ja?
Okay.
Tauschen. Lass du
Nice.
hier runterfahren.
Changing. Let's go. Anderes Gefühl, ja.
Ich habe nur nicht aufgenommen.
Wirklich? Oh man. Insane. Krass. Theoretisch kann ich sogar hier bleiben. Insane. 2, 1. Fire, man. That's actually fire. And the rabbit all the way. $90? 90, 90, 90? 200?
Watch out, little man. It's a Get.
210. Oh man. Fire, man. Insane. You don't even feel it, right?
No, you don't. It's amazing.
210, man.
2 feet on the right towards Ontario.
Crazy.
You're not used to it. Normally you look here, right?
Yeah, it's
See
true.
how far you go. You have to look. 1. Ready?
Yeah.
Okay, 3, 2, 1.
Ja, ja. It's the smile on his face.
Ready? From 0, okay?
Go, go, go.
40, 50, 70. Oh.
Ja, 8%, man. Lass uns mal bitte bei noch ankommen.
Got a power bank.
If I wrote you a symphony, just to say how much you mean to me, what would you do? If I told you you were beautiful, would you date me on the regular? Tell me, would you? Well, baby, I've been around the world.
Und sich ganz neue Ideen.
Another girl like you. This ring here represents my heart. But there's just one thing I need from you. Say I do. Because I can see us holding hands, walking on the beach, our toes in the sand. I can see us on the countryside, sitting on the grassland side by side. You could be my baby, let me make you my lady. Girl, you amaze me, ain't gotta do nothing crazy. See, all I want.